This is a video on the types of adjectives over here. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you about in Go Grammar page number 23, worksheet number 11. Adjectives are there, types of adjective, whether it is quantitative, qualitative, interrogative adjectives or possessive adjectives. We need to do that, right? And I'm going to even share the video also on this. Let's watch it and do the exercise. Okay, this will be on the types of adjectives.
What is an adjective? We have already discussed about them in our previous video. If you can recall, adjective is a word that describes noun or pronoun. Let me give you an example to make it clear again. Vijay is a boy. Here we are able to understand whether Vijay is a boy or not, but we are not able to get more details about what kind of boy Vijay is. Now let's see this example. Vijay is a good boy. Here we are describing the quality of Vijay by telling that he is a good boy. So good is an adjective here. We have also discussed about degree of adjectives in our previous video. Please check that video if you haven't already. Links are in the description. Now let's look into different types of adjectives. Adjectives are divided into various types. We will look into main 6 types of adjectives. These are adjectives of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Now let's look into them one by one. Adjective of quality. These are the words that describe the quality of noun or pronoun. Note the word quality. Let me give you an example to make it clear. I have a nice teddy. Here, what is the quality of teddy? It is nice. They generally answer the question of what kind in any sentence. Now, can you think of more such qualities of teddy? Someone may say that this teddy is of brown color, or someone may say it is an awesome teddy, or it is very cute. So, brown, awesome, and cute are the qualities of teddy. Adjective of quality is also referred to as descriptive adjectives. Now, let's look into the next type. Adjective of quantity. They are the words that describe the quantity of nouns or pronouns. Please note the word quantity. Example, I have enough money. Here, enough describes the quantity of money I have. Questions they generally answer are how much in any sentence. Some more examples of them are I have some money. I have very little amount of money. I have more money. So remember, they define the quantity of noun, not the exact amount. Now let's look into the next type. Adjective of numbers. They are the words that describe exact number of noun. Note the word exact number. For example, Shivani has 4 apples. Here, 4 is the exact number of apple Shivani has. They generally gives the answer of the question how many in any sentence. If there is only one apple, then we can say Shivani has an apple. 8, 10 or any such exact number describes this adjective. So remember this, whenever you have any exact number that is describing noun or pronoun, it is adjective of number. Let's look into the 4th type, demonstrative adjective. Words that point out a person, thing or animal. Note the word point. For example, this book is mine. Here, I am pointing out the book. Some more examples of them are that, these and those. Now, if you remember, in pronouns, we discussed about demonstrative pronouns. and they also had the same words, these, that, these and those. But there is a difference. Let me give you an example of demonstrative pronouns. Now, this is my book. Here, this is a pronoun. Can you see the difference in two sentences? In the first one, this comes before book, which is a noun, and it is describing noun, so it is an adjective. And in the second one, it comes before is, which is a verb, and so it is a pronoun. Now let's look into the next type of adjective, interrogative adjectives. These are WH words which are used with nouns to ask questions. Now what are WH words? WH words include who, whom, whose, which and what. For example, which book is yours? Here, which is used before book and is asking question. So, it is an interrogative adjective. Now we discussed about interrogative pronouns and they sound similar to these adjectives. But there is a difference. Let me give you the example of interrogative pronoun. Which is your book? Here, verb is used before which. So, it is a pronoun. And in the above example, noun book is used. So, it is an adjective. So, now you would have understood the difference. Let's look into the sixth and final type of adjective, possessive adjectives. These are the words that are used to show ownership. Note the word ownership. Let's look into the example. Joe left his bat at home. Here, his word is used to show us that it is his bat. So, it is a possessive adjective. Some more examples of it are my, our, her and their. Now again, we talked about possessive pronouns and they sound similar to possessive adjective. But they are not. They both are used in different contexts. Let me give you the example of possessive pronoun. The bed next to the window is his. Here, his is not describing noun. It is used instead of noun. So, it is a pronoun. Always remember this thing. Whenever you are in confusion, whether the word is adjective or pronoun, remember this formula. If the word is used instead of noun, then it is a pronoun. And if it is used for describing noun, then it is an adjective. Okay, so we have now discussed about all the 6 main types of adjectives. Now, let's quickly remember what we have learnt in this video. We discussed about types of adjectives. We will go through the 6 types of adjective with one example of each. Adjective of quality. Baby has a soft skin. Here, soft describes the quality. Adjective of quantity. I have enough knowledge. Here, enough describes the quantity of knowledge I have. Adjective of number. Sanjay came first in the class. Here, first is the exact rank or number Sanjay got in the class. Demonstrative adjective. That pen is mine. Here, we are pointing out to that pen. Interrogative adjective. Whose bicycle is this? Here, we are asking question by using whose. Possessive adjective. My mother is here. Here, using my, we are showing ownership. I hope you are now clear about the types of adjective.